Most people associate sleep apnea with loud, obnoxious snoring. However, what most do not realize is how harmful untreated sleep apnea can be on one's health. Sleep apnea can be a contributing factor to heart attack, stroke, depression, and extreme daytime fatigue. The most common form of treatment is the cumbersome CPAP machine. An estimated 50% of patients find CPAP intolerable and discontinue its use, leaving their bodies vulnerable to the health-deteriorating effects of untreated sleep apnea. Sleep appliances in recent years have become so effective that they are now considered a first-line treatment for most mild to moderate cases of sleep apnea, and have even shown success with very severe cases. Dental sleep appliances are comfortable, effective, easy to use, and in most cases will be covered by medical insurance. For sufferers of sleep apnea living in North County and the surrounding area, there are no finer dental sleep medicine professionals than the team at West Coast Snore and Sleep Apnea Solutions. Using proven CPAP alternatives for sleep apnea treatment, you will soon be able to sleep, dream, thrive, and live the life you desire within your first visit. West Coast Snore and Sleep Apnea Solutions accepts most medical insurances and offers patients the option of home sleep testing.